Hi everybody, Jeff Teague here. I'm going to show you how to completely load up your 2024 RAV4. This is the 2024 RAV4 XLE Premium. It's right in the middle of all the RAV4 trim levels. It's an all-wheel drive. You can get it in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. For this video, I'm going to go back and forth between the car and the vehicle's window sticker. So you'll see what it costs starting off and then how adding in several different factory option packages and accessories is going to raise the value and it's going to raise the price. The cool thing is choices. That means that you're able to choose exactly what features, what options you want right from the factory to get the best value. This one here starts at $34,275 with $1,335 destination. Let's take this one next level. That's right, things are about to get local around here. This is the XLE Premium all-wheel drive window sticker. These are standard options. You can see a little spoiler alert here in the middle column. Those are options that have been added at the factory. Starts at $34,275. We're going to talk about the technology package, the weather package, the audio upgrade, and digital rear view mirror. The number one vehicle I get requests from viewers on is the RAV4. People want more RAV4 videos, so that's what we've been doing the past several days, getting that stock up of 2024 RAV4 videos. How about this one here? It has parking sensors on that technology package on the front and the rear. That's right, on the front, all across the front, boom, it's there. And yes, it's in the rear as well. Woo, there you are, I see you, holla. And it can detect cars, front, back. It can also do automatic braking in the back. So if we got close to this, I'm not gonna get super close, but I wanna show when the sensor goes off. Even a bush. Another feature the technology package has is the Qi wireless charging. And that's simply right down here. You just lay it down, lay it down, lay it down. And then you can charge your devices. We've got dual temperature controls here. That's pretty cool. This is upgraded to 10.5-inch screen. We'll talk about that. Yes, we will. Look at this. This one has the multi-terrain select, so that means that you can choose mud and sand, rock and dirt, snow mode. I'll show you those on here. That's just part of the XLE Premium package. Mud and sand, rock and dirt. We want to optimize that traction. See the snow up in the upper right corner there? Pretty cool. I love using these features. That was the technology package. That was $640. I see the value there for sure. I don't know if I'd get a car these days that didn't have the backup sensors or the forward sensors as well. It's just nice having that extra peace of mind for me personally. You might be different. Now for $1,075, the weather package. The weather package has features inside the car and outside of the car. We've got rain sensing variable intermittent wipers here. So that means when it senses rain, if you've got it there, the wipers are gonna start swish, swish, swishing. But if you live in a cold weather environment, let's say we're in New England here. They just hired a new football coach. All right, look at this here. We've got the windshield wiper de-icer, and that's something you can tell on your car. Does it have it? Look for grid lines in various types of patterns, but that will de-ice or melt the ice that's on the windshield wipers, and it goes all the way down. That's something you could use for sure in these cold weather months. You know, like you see in North Carolina, it's gonna be 57 today. Let's add some comfort to this weather package here. We've got a leather-wrapped, heated steering wheel. And how do you know your vehicle has a heated steering wheel? Well, you'll find the icon somewhere on the dash. This one's to the left of the steering wheel. This is also for the de-icer function. So if you see that on your car, well, I would guess there's a good chance that you have it. What else do we have? Well, we've got heated seats right here. So you can do high and low. Not cooled seats, but heated seats. So that's kind of pretty neat. That's kind of pretty nifty, right? We've got all these functions, all these features. Here's the dash. Here's the information display. Just want to kind of look around here. What about these seats? Well, because it's an XLE Premium, it has Softech seats. If you get the XLE, it'll be fabric seats. You also have a standard moonroof. So we've got that because it's the XLE Premium. Woohoo! Woo! Memory seats! Woo! Ah, touchdown! Awesome! If you like a good sound system, you might want to consider JBL. That stands for James B. Lansing. Its founder, JBL sound system, $1,410 upgrade. Also, the anti-theft alarm system is included in this package. But normally we have the standard Toyota audio multimedia, 8 speakers. She'll only come out at night. Whoa, here she comes. She's a man-eater. All right, 80s, you're going to play that on whatever sound system. We want our 80s music. Holla. But this is normally 8-inch screen. That's standard on XLE Premium with 6 speakers. Upgrades to 10.5-inch screen right here. JBL sound system with 11 speakers in 9 locations. And it has subwoofer and amplifier. The other nice thing about the Toyota Audio Multimedia, it's wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. I hate having all the wires and cords and being able to hook up and stuff like that. I don't want that. I just want wireless. Hey, Toyota.
How can I help you?
What's my driving range?
Your trip range is 105 miles.
Excellent. So yes, we can give a lot of different voice commands. You just think up a command and see if the Toyota can do it. It gives you all sorts of pieces of information and facts and knowledge about your car, but also general interest as well. So just give it a try. It's very intuitive, very conversational. You can just pretend you're on a first date with your new RAV4 XLE Premium or Tundra or Sequoia or Camry, that kind of jazz. Just get to know it. See if you want a second date. Plane! Woo! Safe travels, my friends. The next feature we're gonna have, $675. This is the, we'll call it the HomeLink and Mirror package. I don't think it has a name. It's got HomeLink garage door opener programming. And then look here, remember we look out here, it's the digital mirror, but you see headrests in the way. I just bashed my hand into the mirror, so we're gonna try again. All right, look here, you've got headrests, you've got people's heads in the way, so your view is blocked. It's blocked unless you turn on the digital rear view mirror. Now we can see all the way outside. That's pretty sweet. Because it's an XLE Premium, you'll see a power liftgate there, power hatch. The digital rear view mirror works with the camera, and that's right here. It's really hard to see because the glare and stuff like that. So we're gonna open this up. It's right there. Close that down, pop this sucker open, and we're gonna see our camera. Here it is, right here. Oh, wow, you never know it was there, would you? Holla! That's pretty cool. And look, it's just inside the back window. That's nice. So look, we've got a clean view of what's out back. So I can see my tripod is there, that kind of stuff. And you can see, if you're in 3 lanes of traffic on the highway, you can see car 1, car 2, car 3, or is it car 1, 2, 3? Either way, this one's 2. But you can see them clear, clean, and you can watch what traffic's doing. It's an excellent feature, and I wish that my Toyota Crown came with that. So those are our options. We're gonna talk about the window sticker next, and then I'll just go over a quick view outside an XLE Premium, inside an XLE Premium, because I don't wanna show it and then not show it, you know? Show me the money! Come on, Jerry, give it to me, Jerry. Here's the window sticker again. XLE Premium, all-wheel drive. It has a 2 as the first digit. That means it's Ontario, Canada plant. If it was a J, it would be Japan. If it was a 4, it would be Georgetown, Kentucky. Me personally, I don't care where it's built. RAV4 is a RAV4. It's excellent quality, but you might think differently. You might have your favorites. Here we go. $34,275. For $640, you get the technology package. For $1,075, we got the weather package, and then you can see the JBL sound system, and then digital rear view mirror with the HomeLink. So it's $38,025. But wait, we're not done, because you can finish off your car at the regional assembly port with suggested options, added options, whether you want them or not, or you could ask for these, that kind of stuff. These might be things that add value that you want. I think every car should have mats. You don't want to get into a brand new car when it rained or snowed or ice or sleet, and then you just got the floorboard. That sucks. This one's available at Fred Anderson Toyota. They helped me out here with the inventory. Go to fredandersontoyota.com. Just see how much they have. Let's walk around RAV4 XLE Premium. This one has Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. Look at the trapezoidal front grille. That's kind of what RAV4 is known for. When the next gen comes around, will they have the trapezoidal grille? Will it be something different? LED headlights, fog lights, pretty cool stuff. This has 219 net hybrid horsepower when you use electric motors along with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Match that with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The profile is tall, sturdy, rugged, imposing. It's great for just about everybody. This is the best-selling, the best-selling small SUV in the entire country, and it has been for a long, long time. Getting closer to 7 years straight, I believe. Look at these wheels. That's pretty neat, right? 19-inch wheels there. Has turn signal indicators in the side mirrors. You'll find a nice cutout here for better visibility, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, and the braking, because it has that package on it. Gloss black roof rails, standard moonroof, auto lock and unlock on the front doors. Love that profile there. This is my jam. And then LED taillights, 2 exhaust ports. Normally it's just the backup camera, but remember we have another camera for that digital rear view mirror. Nice. Let's go inside. Ooh, I suggest this accessory for everybody, an all-weather mat in the back. Open. It has spare tire there. It's hard to film with one hand and open things with another hand. All right, so we got a 12-volt circular port, storage there. I like that. That's good use of the wall there. To the window, to the wall. Here we go. We've got tie downs. Not just there, but they've got them back here as well. So flip that down. One of the JBLs. Holla. Nice. Maybe a tonneau cover is something you want. Seats fold down like that and like that. No, actually they fold down like that. The seats weren't far enough back. Good room in here. I like that. Good headroom, good legroom. I recommend a RAV4. Not necessarily for everybody, but I think everybody should evaluate that when you're looking at an SUV of this size class. There we go. Here's our armrest. We also have a plane. And then the other things, good pockets there. Seat pocket on the right side. Air. This is ambient lighting that has been added at the regional assembly port. That's kind of cool. You can change up the colors. I've got a video on that. Just check my channel. Look up LED ambient lighting, maybe something like that. Here's the view from the back seat of XLE Premium. Remember, the moonroof is standard because it's XLE Premium. And also, this is Softex seating. If it's an XLE, it's going to be fabric, like I said. So we've got black Softex with the light accent stitching, like a light grayish. The memory seat is not standard, but remember, that's part of that upgraded package. Easy to use controls here, I see. And remember, we can just kind of go through the features just like this, just like this. I think that's probably it for you. Oh, the all-wheel drive, that'll tell us when we're using the front wheels, the back wheels, what torque distribution is for the vehicle. So nice. Yeah, I just want to show off everything here. Electronic parking brake and brake hold. In here we've got more USBs. I believe it's 5. It is 5. That's what we have here. Ambient lighting in there. That's kind of cool. It's kind of nice. Nice. Storage shelf. Sunglass holder. The lights right there. Has a lighted mirror with a slider function right there. So that's our interior. Let's show it all off. And how do we like our friend RAV4? Thanks for watching, everybody. Here's where we will exchange some favors. I did some heavy lifting and showed you some option packages. Tell me in the comment section which of those option packages you would be interested in. Which ones are good values? Which one would you not pay money for? That kind of stuff. Also, if you could please follow me at my 2 YouTube channels. I'm trying to grow as quickly as I can, both channels. So if you haven't subscribed, just give it a try. Subscribe to Auto Jeff Reviews. You'll see the link right up there. Just click that. You can come back to my channel. Auto Jeff looks at all brands, all models. So if you don't like just Toyota, you like all cars, go to that one. It's fun. It's thorough. We look at everything. We're getting faster here. And then I'm at Toyota Jeff Reviews, which you see right here. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Thanks, everybody. See you next time. And if you just want more information about RAV4, click the RAV4 playlist that I have here for you. You'll see so many years, models, options, colors, how-tos, all that kind of jazz. it might really get you pumping, get the blood going here about RAV4. Thanks everybody so much. Catch you next time. Woo!